channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to organize your desk. So right now my desk is a full disaster, so I'm gonna clean it today. So anyway, let's start cleaning. So first I started by keeping all of the things down, so I'll get some space for changing the things and all the stuff. And I found some stuff that I wanted, like my riddle book, some color papers, and all of my drawings. And it went down and it went down, so yeah. Then I kept the sheet off and then I started dusting the table. Then I had to use some wipes because there was some dust sticking on the table that were incoming using the normal tissue. Then I kept the sheet back and then I kept all of the objects after organizing them. And it was a fun time. Then I got sidetracked with the wool and I started knitting. Then I realized again that I was having a camera in front of me. So yeah. Smash that like button and I'll see you all next time. And I know it was not like how to clean your desk, but my idea was like how to show you, to show you how I clean my desk. So anyway, bye.